Hello everyone, this is Satya from Tech1. So in today's video we are going to see about construction project management software from the Autodesk. It's none other than a BIM 360. So why the construction project management software has been used and what is the benefit of using on BIM 360, we'll have a look. Okay, so I'm just clicking on to BIM 360 in Google. So construction management software, I'm just clicking onto it. So it's loading. Okay, you can able to see the purpose of using a construction project management software is to track the project from the zero till the finishing, from the project preliminary drawings till the project construction. Everything will be get covered into it, so like estimation or like even cost analysis, everything. A collaborated work as done by the Autodesk, and that's a BIM 360. You can able to see here like its main purpose was to project management, and not only project management, we can able to manage the documents also, like what is the distributions gone and its control to whom, whether it's they reviewed or not, and coordination also, like last detection or if any deviation on drawings or on site, safety management, quality management, constructability, design collaboration, data analysis, and cost management. So this can be easily tracked. Do you know why? Because every peoples are going to get collaborated in the software, that's BIM 360. Coming on to the products, so BIM 360 has given a few products like dogs, build, coordinate, design, plan, layout, and oops. But right now we will see about document. In upcoming thing we will see about the build coordinate. Okay, we'll just click on to the doc. But before moving on to this, I just explore what are the things it's going to get cover on this Autodesk docs. The first purpose of using BIM 360 doc was we can able to share the documents and we can able to view and manage the drawings. That's the first benefit. And second benefit, you can able to access the drawing from anywhere. Even if any markups, we can able to review on time. It won't take much time for to get access because it's a single file. And the next thing was the reduce will be errors will be drastically reduced. The reason for this was initially if any drawing is going means it will move on to coordinator and then it will move on to the consultant, they will review, return back, and this long process, some cases there might be a chance of losing a few RFIs which has been raised. But if the same RFI is raised in model, it won't happen, right? So that's the case is going to happen here. So in model itself we are going to raise the RFI, so this model is going to get reviewed by the consultant and the coordinator also, so they can be easily tracked and they can able to easily sort about the queries which has been raised. Okay, let's explore these Autodesk docs. So I'm just clicking on to it, it's loading. Okay, so first thing was I will just try now. Okay, in Autodesk construction cloud you can able to see on left top it's said to be the docs. So right now it's a document control, correct? So if I click on to the drop down box, you can able to see what are all the concern like design collaboration, model coordination, takeoff, build, cost management, insight, project admin, account admin. The first thing was we need to create the project, but make sure is the project is going to get created on your end or the project is going to get created on the some other person, like some other organization who is going to be a part of the project. So say example, in this video we'll see how the project has been created from our end. So just click on to the account admin. So it's loading. So I'm just going to create a project. Okay, so project number was like A123 and the account is the one which will be linked with this account, so it automatically got displayed. If not, we need to check and we need to change. So it's and project type is a office project, so I'm just click on to the office and then template. If do we have any previous template means we can able to link that directly, but since we have not created any template, so it won't. So I'm just click create. The first phase is completed, office model build. So now what will happen was this project document register is started to create. So now you can able to see, then it will ask who are all the members going to get involved in this. Before that it will ask about my information also, so which company I am belong to. So I will just add tech one. What's my role? So engineer, so I'm just clicking on to engineer. Access level, if I am the one who is going to create the project, means I will be a project administrator. The first person who is creating, they can't able to make it as a project member, so they need to be a project administrator only. So and then I'm just going to assign to the persons who are all can handle. So before that I will just open what are all the things can be is going to get carried on our side, like docs, design, collaborate, model. And then I'm just going to add to members. So I'm just going to define the person who are all going to get involved in this project. So done, two people chatted. And then what I'm going to, it already shows already in project, no problem. So what's their role? They are also engineer. Company was check one. Right now they if I make them as a project admin, they can able to access the file, and even they can create the new project also on that. But suppose if I make them as a member, they can't able to create the project, but they can able to work on the specific project in which the permission has given. So most probably we will be act as a project member one day. The person who is going to get coordinate is the one who is the, or the builder is going to be a project administrator. So and then clicking on to this on purchase product, so I'm just clicking on to this, already docs it's included, so that's enough. I'm just clicking on to add. So it started to add. Now if I click on to office build, you can able to see the members whom I added before. It defined their access level, their status and their role. So if it is going to be a consultant like architect or structural whom the builder is assigning, they will assign whom they are and their organization also. So okay, and then I'm just going to add a file to the project. So what I'm going to do was I'm just click on to talk. So right now you might see what are all the mark which I made a tick, it's represent, if not it won't reflect the tick mark which we did on the last time, like a checkbox. So click on to doc. So we are going to create the new folder, like a folder. So what I'm going to do was I'm just going to create add subfolder like model, say, click, and then clicking on to this, I'm just going to upload a file. So it shows clearly project in this folder are viewable to all project member and are synced to their mobile too. Okay, so it's going to get uploaded from my computer, right? So I'm just going to place that file onto it. Okay, so I'm just going to upload this file into the folder. So it started initialization and then it started to upload. So once this get file uploaded means we can able to access this model from the person whom I assigned before, like as a project member. So they can able to access this file, and even if any correction or any markup, they can able to provide a notification so that we can able to backtrack. So this is a process of using the construction project management of BIM 360, and very few can be used for free apps. Like say example, the project coordinator who is going to create the project, definitely they should have a license on this so that they can able to provide access for all the thing. If not, it will be little bit harder. But the person who is going to work on the project as a project member, as I said before, it's, I guess they don't need a license for it, but they need the access for the particular file. So if not handle that particular file, and even it's too hard for them to make a or provide the markup. So once this file is uploaded, this following file, that is office building file, can be opened by the following person. So it will directly call this file from the cloud. So that's the reason they have mentioned the name as a construction cloud. So this file will be work as a cloud, so it will be uploaded in the cloud. So this can be accessed from any PC, it won't be any hard. And even if you are saving that file, it will get directly saved to the cloud only. Okay, the file upload is going to get completed because it shows processing. It's almost, so you can able to see here also it will shows what are all the things will get reflected on this. If I select to it, you can able to see the project name, about the description, version, markups, its size, last update. So if anyone's provided markup means they can just make the markup symbol, and so that we can able to track clearly whom has provided the markup from the concerned person whom we assign, and the version also can be easily tracked. If anything further update means this version 1 will change to version 2, and even the version history you can able to track when the file is uploaded. So this is a process we are using for BIM 360, especially on docs. Remaining things we can have a look on the upcoming video. That's it. I think still it's loading, but once it uploads, the following file will get make a notification to the concerned person whom we assigned for the project. Okay, the file has been uploaded, so now you can able to see the mark. So each and every folder it will reflect what it does and what it will be. So that's it guys, and these are all the things which I like to discuss on this. So remaining thing will cover on the upcoming video. Thank you.